Cozy home office ideas. A cozy home office promotes productivity and creativity while ensuring comfort. Whether you're working from home full-time or part-time, creating a welcoming and functional space is essential. Here are some practical ideas to make your home office feel cozy and inviting. 1. Comfortable seating. Invest in an ergonomic and comfortable chair for long working hours. Choose a stylish office chair with adequate back support, or for a more relaxed feel, try a comfy armchair or a lounge chair. Add throw pillows or a cozy blanket for extra comfort. 2. Warm lighting. Lighting is crucial to setting the right ambience. Opt for warm, soft lighting rather than harsh overhead lights. Desk lamps with adjustable brightness, pendant lights, or string lights add a cozy touch. Consider adding a floor lamp to soften the space further. 3. Personal touches. Make the space your own with personal items that inspire you. Hang up artwork, photos, or motivational quotes. Include plants or indoor greenery like succulents or snake plants to add life and freshness to the space. For soft textiles, incorporate soft textiles like area rugs, throw blankets, and curtains to add warmth to your office. A rug under your desk can make the space feel more inviting, while plush throws on your chair offer comfort during breaks. 5. Organized yet stylish storage. Keep your space tidy with stylish storage solutions. Choose shelves, filing cabinets, or baskets that complement your decor. Open shelving or floating shelves can display books, decor, and essentials, maintaining both organization and style. 6. Neutral and calming color palette. Soft, neutral colors like beige, gray, or light blue create a calm and focused atmosphere. You can use these colors for walls, furniture, and accessories, with a few pops of your favorite colors in artwork or decor to add personality. 7. A functional desk setup. Choose a desk that fits your needs and complements the space. A minimalist desk with clean lines or a vintage-style wooden desk can enhance the cozy vibe. Ensure you have enough storage for office supplies and personal items, while keeping the desk clutter-free. 8. Quiet corner for relaxation. If space allows, create a small cozy corner with a comfortable chair, soft lighting, and perhaps a side table. This area can be used for breaks, reading, or brainstorming, helping to refresh your mind during long workdays. Conclusion: creating a cozy home office revolves around making the space comfortable, functional, and reflective of your personal style. By focusing on warmth, organization, and personal touches, you can design an office that promotes both productivity and relaxation.